Good morning, children. Welcome my channel Bhuloks Mathematics. Last class I have already discussed about multiple choice questions. Today we discussing about the multiple choice question which is coming in the previous year council examination 2025, which is very important so far your board examinations concerns like CHSE and CBSE. So let us come the first question. What is the maximum value of determinant sin x 2 cos x minus cos x 1 plus 2 sin x? Okay. How can you find out the maximum value of the determinant? Write down the answer. Question number 1. Sin x, here it is 2 cos x minus cos x, here it is 1 plus 2 sin x. The value of determinant, multiplying this sin x into 1 plus 2 sin x minus means 2 cos square x. 2 cos square x. Okay. So sin x multiplied here, sin x, here it is 2 sin square x plus 2 cos square x. 2 taking common, sin x plus 2 whole into sin square x plus cos square x. Okay. We know that sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. Sin square x plus cos square x, that is 1. So here sin x plus 1. This is the value of determinant. Okay. Sin x plus 1. Our aim is to find out the maximum value of this determinant. We know right now sin x, the maximum value of sin x is minus 1 less than equal to sin x less than equal to 1. This is the maximum value of sin x. Minus 1 less than equal to sin x less than equal to 1. Maximum value is 1. Minimum value of sin x is minus 1. Our aim is to find out the maximum value of sin x plus 1. That will be lies in this middle. So what we want? 1 will be added on both sides. Adding 1. Write down adding 1 on both sides. Both sides we get minus 1 plus 1 less than equal to sin x plus 1 less than equal to 1 plus 1. Okay, so we get 0. Write down, we get 0. 0 is less than equal to 1 plus sin x is less than equal to 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. So the maximum value is 2 and the minimum value is 0. Write down the maximum value is 2. Minimum value is 1. So the maximum value is 2 and the minimum value is 0. So in our choice 0, 1, 3 and 2. So the maximum value is 2. So this is the correct answer. This is the correct answer of this question. Okay. So this is the correct answer of this question. Now let us take another question. Write down another question. Question number 6. We have to working out the question number 6. What is the particular solution of the differential equation? Particular solution of the differential equation. Dy by dx is equal to cos x when x is equal to 0. and y equal to 2. Y is equal to 2. So first of all, you have to find out the general solution. Write down the answer. Question number 6. dy by dx is equal to cos x. So dx will be multiplied there. dy is equal to cos x into dx. Then integrating on both sides. Write down integrating on both sides. We get integration of dy, integration of cos x into dx. Integration of dy, that is y, integration of cos x, that is sin x plus c. Sin x plus c. Our aim is to find out the value of arbitrary constant c. Given x is equal to 0, y is equal to 2. Applying, write down, applying x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 2 in here. So in place of y we have to put 2. Here in place of x it is sin 0 plus c. So the value of c is coming out 2. The value of c is coming out 2. So now putting the value of c is equal to 2 in here. So we get y is equal to sin x plus 2. So this is the particular solution. This is called as the particular solution. Here in the choice, y is equal to sin x minus 2, y is equal to sin x plus 1, another is y is equal to sin x plus 2. So this is the correct answer of this question. Okay. So this is called as the particular solution. Particular solution means if we assigning the particular values of the independent variable and dependent variable, we have to get the particular value of the arbitrary constant. That arbitrary constant, if we put in the general solution, that gives rise to a particular solution. So here in this case, the particular solution is y is equal to sin x plus 2. So the choice is here third, y is equal to sin x plus 2. So this is the answer of this question. Okay, now let us take another question. Question number 5. Here, question number 5. We have to work out what is the area of the region bounded by y is equal to e to the power x, x axis, and x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 3 in square units. Before finding the area, first of all you have to draw the curve. What is the curve? What is the curve y is equal to e to the power x? We have already discussed in 11th class. This is the exponential function. So graph is just like this. It is a graph of exponential function. Y is equal to e to the power x. So x axis means here it is x is equal to 0. X is equal to 1 means suppose it is x is equal to 1. X is equal to 3 means suppose it is x is equal to 3. So here it is A, here it is B, here it is C, here it is D. Our aim is to find out this area. Our aim is to find out this area. Write down the area of ABCD. Write down area of ABCD is equal to integration from 1 to 3 y dx. Y dx, always formula y dx. Y is here e to the power x dx. We know the integration of e to the power x is equal to e to the power x. Write down e to the power x evaluated from 1 to 3. Then we have to put the upper limit minus lower limit. Here we get e to the power 3 minus e to the power 1. So e is taking common. E taking common, that is e square minus 1. This is the answer of this question. E whole into e square minus 1. So in our choice here, e whole into e square minus 1, e cube minus 1, e whole into 1 minus e square whole into 1 minus e. So the correct answer is first, e whole into e square minus 1 is the correct answer. So it is the required area of this curve. Okay, so area of this curve can be found out by this. First of all, we have to doing the curve. Then where it is bounded, you take integration from x is equal to a to x is equal to b, y dx. It is bounded by x axis. Okay, so this is the answer of this question. Now let us take the question number 4. Write down question number 4. Question number 4. In which interval is the function y is equal to ln x belongs to r plus, is increasing? Okay, so write down question number 4. Y is equal to ln x. Y is equal to ln x. X belongs to r plus. We know that a function fx is said to be increasing if dy by dx greater than 0. We know a function fx is said to be decreasing if dy by dx is less than 0. So first of all, we have to find out its derivative. Dy by dx is equal to derivative of ln x 1 by x. Our aim is x belongs to r. So dy by dx greater than 0. Dy by dx greater than 0 when x greater than 0. Dy by dx greater than 0 when x is greater than 0. So dy dx greater than 0 means y is increasing, the function is increasing. So the function y is equal to ln x is increasing when x belongs to 0 to infinity. This is the interval form. X greater than 0 means x belongs to 0 to infinity. Dy by dx is greater than 0 when x is greater than 0. That means the function y is equal to ln x increasing when x belongs to 0 to infinity. So here in our choice, 0 to infinity, minus infinity to infinity, minus infinity to 0, minus 1 to infinity. So the correct answer is 0 to infinity. So the correct answer is 0 to infinity. Okay. Now let us take another question. Question number 3. Write the derivative of tan inverse x with respect to sin inverse x. Here it is one important question. Write the derivative of tan inverse x with respect to sin inverse x. How can you do it? First of all, you have to take this is y and this is a z. Write down y is equal to tan inverse x. Z is equal to sin inverse x. Dy by dx you have to find. Dy by dx. We know the derivative of tan inverse x. 1 by 1 plus x square. Derivative of sin inverse x. Dz by dx. Derivative of sin inverse x 1 upon 1 minus x square. Our aim is to find out the derivative of tan inverse x with respect to sin inverse x. That means we have to find out dy by dz. That is dy by dx divided by dz by dx. So we get dy by dx is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. Here 1 by 1 minus x square root over. So that is 1 minus x square root over divided by 1 plus x square. Okay. So in our choice 2x root over 1 minus x square, 1 by 1 minus x square root over 1 minus x square root over divided by 1 plus x square. Another is 1 by 1 plus x square. So the correct answer is third. Okay. So derivative of tan inverse x with respect to sin inverse x is root over of 1 minus x square root over divided by 1 plus x square. So this is the correct answer. Now let us discussing about question number 2. Write down question number 2. Question number 2. For what value of a is fx is equal to 1 plus 3x whole to the power 1 by x if x not equal to 0 and a plus e to the power 3 if x is equal to 0 is continuous at x is equal to 0. We know that a function fx is said to be continuous at x is equal to a if limit of the function is equal to value of the function. First of all, we have to find out the limit of the function. Value of the function is given a plus e to the power k. Okay? Limit of the function. Write down limit x tends to 0, 1 plus 3x to the power x. We know one formula in limit. Limit x tends to 0, 1 plus x to the power 1 by x. Here it is x. Here it is x. X tends to 0. Here it is x. Here it is also x. 1 plus x to the power 1 by x. When x tends to 0, the value is always e. The value is always e. But here it is 3x. Here it is x. So you have to adjust. Limit x tends to 0. 1 plus 3x to the power 3x into 3. 3 multiplied, 3 divided. So this can be written as limit x tends to 0, 1 plus 3x to the power 1 by 3x whole to the power 3. So the value of this, here it is 3x, here it is also 3x. X tends to 0 means 3x is also tends to 0. So the limiting value of this quantity is e. So write down it is e to the power 3. So the value of the function is coming out e to the power 3. Limit value of the function is here given as a plus e to the power 3. And as fx is continuous at x is equal to 0, so limit x tends to 0, fx is equal to f of 0. Limit of the function is equal to value of the function. Limit of the function coming out e to the power 3. Value of the function is here a plus e to the power 3. So e to the power 3, e to the power 3 cancel. So a is equal to coming out 0. So this is the answer. A is equal to 0. In our choice I equal to 0, a is equal to minus 3, a is equal to 1 and a is equal to 3. So the correct answer is 0. Correct answer is 0. So this is all about today's class. Thank you to all for watching my videos. If you like my classes, please subscribe my channel, share my channel and like my channels.